Alright, so we're going to talk about making a little tackle box for backpacking and what you'll need. So right here is a little plastic carrying case. And by the way, everything I show you, you can get on Amazon. I'll have links for you if you want to go straight to the page of what you want to buy. But when you're backpacking, generally, especially if you're up in the mountains, you're going to be going after trout. So basically, trout like to have, or likes to bite on, spinners. I like Castmasters. Also like to have a few little lures. A couple right here. A little Rapala. Some more spinners. Spinners work really good for trout. Maybe another Castmaster. Castmasters are great because they do exactly what it sounds like, is they cast really well. Here's a little mini one. Generally, if you're up in a mountain lake, you're probably going to be catching something. Maybe the largest will be, 8 inches. So you want to have small. Here's some more spinners. And that will probably do you. And we'll put in a little fly jig. And maybe a little spoon. So that's it for the lures. For that, you probably want to take with you some salmon eggs. And then I like to buy these little kits off Amazon where they're like in bulk, because it's a lot cheaper than if you go into a hardware store and buying it. But this right here is a whole bunch of different size salmon eggs, which is really handy. You're going to want to have weights. So here's a nice little kit for weights. So you're going to want that. And this all can fit nicely in your backpack. I would bring a small pair of needle nose. And I'll have a link to a page that will have needle nose. And these work really good for getting the little hooks out of the trout. And then you're probably going to want to have a net. They have, some small collapsible nets. I don't have one here that I can display. There's also this, which is where you can grab them in their mouth and hold them. And this works really good, except if the fish is too small, this won't work. But it's really light. You can take it with you. Then there's this, KastKing makes this really neat fillet knife, because you're going to want to fillet the fish. And this is really cool because it's really sharp, clicks into place. It's a full-size fillet knife, and it's just really handy. You push the button and it folds up. They give you a little case so you can carry this on your belt, which is really handy, like that. And you can carry it on your belt or put it in your backpack. Very handy. And you can get a telescoping fishing rod and reel, and they're really neat because you can just pull them out and use them, and then they'll collapse back in like this, and you can put it in your backpack. Very handy.